Hi everybody, my name's Eddie Philpott. This is the first class that I've taken at Fort Hays State University. I'm currently taking it alongside MIT 805. I just joined the Masters in Instructional Technology program, and I'm excited to be a part of it. I have a couple of coworkers that just completed the program, and they had a lot of good things to say about it. So I am currently a high school math teacher at Huntley High School, which is in Huntley, Illinois. It's just outside of Chicago. So my definition of multimedia, I guess, is any like video, picture, text, animation, slideshows that are presented via in a technological manner. I'm excited to learn about more applications that hopefully I can take back and learn in my classroom. And I guess that's my goal. My goal is hopefully that I'll be able to learn something from this course that will directly make me a more effective teacher. So my strengths, I'd consider myself pretty I don't want to say fluent, but experienced with using some multimedia applications. I mean, I teach at a one-to-one school, and I also teach a blended class. So I've got a lot of experience making videos like this. I create instructional videos for my blended learning class. It's essentially a flipped online classroom where all of our instructional videos are posted online for the kids to view ahead of time, and then our class time is devoted to other things, whether it's individual help, assistance, reviews, questions, remediation, etc. So I've got a pretty good knowledge of using a lot of things. I'm pretty googly. Sometimes I make videos and I post them on YouTube, and then they're there. I've also got some experience making some videos using Edpuzzle, which is really nice because you can, in your instructional video, you can have certain times where the video pauses after certain amount of time, and then the students are forced to answer a question, and you can give them immediate feedback so they see how they did before they're able to continue in the video. So I'd say I've got a pretty good background, but I'm looking to add to that. Weakness of mine, a lot of times I have this really bad habit being a math teacher that I see something where other teachers are using it in different content areas, and sometimes I'm very quickly to dismiss it as something that would not be effective for me, just due to the differences in content areas and different ways that you incorporate or structure your learning environment, I guess you'd say. So I'm looking to approach this with an open mind rather than a closed mindset. But really looking forward to collaborating with everybody that's here, and I'm excited to start off my first semester at Fort Hays State.